Hello everybody, today we'll trying to stretch for this knee and I will show you some exercises which help you to stretch it. But if you want good stretch, you must stretching every day. So you can go on my YouTube channel and see a lot of different stretching videos. So first what you're starting to do is warm up. I will take in this position and starting to sleep. So 1, 2, 3, change side. 1, 2, 3. Take stretch for the leg. 2, 3. Be strong. 1, 2, 3. And knees. 1, 2, 3. And strong. 1, 2, 3. Good work. Take your leg and start to push and sit up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take your legs, take your leg on the back and push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come back in this position and try to catch your leg. After, try to catch your leg and push on this side and fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and take in this side and try to open without hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, try taking this side and slowly go down with leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fixed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And try take back leg and push in split. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Help your hand and push it more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to take it and push on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly stand up, take your breath and slowly go down and take your breath out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, subscribe and take me likes and don't watching another videos because your support for my channel is so important. So bye bye.